Hello and good day. And so in this video, I'm going to be answering the question, is HelloFresh actually good? And so with that being said, I've been using HelloFresh for about 8 months or so now. I've used like meal prep services before. And so with HelloFresh, what I like about it is it's really actually fresh as compared to like pre-made meals. So a lot of the times those pre-made meals, they're not the best. And so the thing with HelloFresh is that you do have to actually cook the meal yourself, which is why it's actually fresh, just because it's not just simply you microwave it, or it's not just simply you oven bake it. With HelloFresh, there's a variety of different recipes. All of them take anywhere from about like 5 minutes to upwards of like 35 minutes to actually make. The recipes that I choose, I usually tend to have them be around like 15 to 20 minutes to make though. But overall, I come from having used a bunch of meal prep companies and then trying this one here. HelloFresh, it's not a meal prep company, it's more of like an ingredient prep company, but even so, if you have the time to actually cook the meals, if you're actually looking for the meals to taste good, the meals on HelloFresh genuinely taste good. Me and my friends, for those who've actually tried it out, we all have agreed like it generally does taste good, and it saves the hassle of actually having to grocery shop for the meals, or still the hassle of actually to decide what to actually eat for tonight or today, for example. And with HelloFresh, you can actually skip meals in case you go on vacation. I've had boxes delivered, or I've had HelloFresh packet meals delivered in the morning, and I wasn't able to come home until late in the evening, and the meal was still fresh. They package it well with ice and cooling just so it stays fresh if it stays outside for like a couple hours or so. But even so, I highly recommend trying it out. And if you haven't tried out HelloFresh just yet, you can use my link down below to get your first box for free. And so overall, long-term customer, I plan on staying subscribed for quite some time. But yeah, if you have the time to cook HelloFresh meals, if you're looking for a delicious meal every single night, you can't go wrong with HelloFresh. So I hope you found this video helpful. If you have any comments, questions, or concerns, do let me know down below.